Hello everyone. Today my video is about baroreceptor and chemoreceptors. So baroreceptors are present in carotid sinus and chemoreceptors are present in carotid body. So first we'll see the anatomy. The thing is guys, from the left ventricle arch of aorta is coming. So this is the arch of aorta and here we have left ventricle and this is atrium I made, but this is arch of aorta. Arch of aorta is dividing into three subdivisions. After that thoracic aorta, but from the arch of aorta is dividing first brachiocephalic trunk, then it's again dividing in the left subclavian artery and common carotid artery. Left common carotid artery. This one is the right common carotid artery. This one is the left common carotid artery, and again this one is right subclavian artery. So the baroreceptors are present in the bifurcation of common carotid artery in the both left and right in the both common carotid artery. Carotid body is present like that. We will take one carotid artery, one common carotid artery, and this is the common carotid artery that is coming from the arch of aorta. So this is common carotid artery is dividing into two parts: internal carotid artery and external carotid artery. And the internal carotid artery, this is internal carotid artery. So in the bifurcation of the internal carotid artery, we have carotid sinus. And the common carotid artery, this is common carotid. We have got the carotid body in the common carotid artery. In the carotid sinus, we have got baroreceptors. In the carotid body, we have got chemoreceptors. So what are the baroreceptor and what are the chemoreceptors? The thing is guys, baroreceptors function is regulating the blood pressure. And the chemoreceptors, the work function of chemoreceptors is the controlling the blood chemistry. Blood chemistry meaning blood pH, hypercapnia, that means high CO2 in the blood, or hypoxia or asphyxia. These are the conditions, these are the blood chemistry that are regulated by the chemoreceptors, the carotid body. And the number, we have two carotid body and one carotid sinus. Sinus is nothing, this is just a pipe, and like this is a carotid sinus. So from the carotid sinus, one nerve, that is a ninth nerve, we also call that nerve is Herring's nerve. From the carotid sinus, one nerve is going to the nucleus tractus of solitarius. This nucleus tractus of solitarius is present in the medulla. This I made is a midbrain, that is, you can see this one is the medulla. Yeah, this one is the medulla. So nucleus in the medulla, we have nucleus tractus solitarius. The function of the nucleus tractus solitarius is which the impulse or which is the information coming from the carotid sinus, that is blood pressure information. Blood pressure is high because the normal blood pressure is 100 mm of Hg have to the normal. Lowest is 60 mm of Hg and highest is 200 mm of Hg. So this should be, the normal should be 100. If the information going, the blood pressure information is going to 100 mm of Hg, that is normal. But if it is less than, then it will be hyperactive, and if it is more BP, that will be less active. So if we have got blood pressure 200 mm of Hg, that will be nucleus tractus solitarius will be reduced and function, and if less BP, it will be hyperactive. And after, if think this nucleus tractus solitarius is activated, and it will give information to the, this is RVLM, that means rostral ventrolateral medulla, that also called vasomotor center. And this vasomotor center will send information to the spinal cord, in the spinal cord intermediolateral horns, in the intermediolateral horns, that is from that thoracic vertebra to lumbar 2, and after that from the spinal cord, the all of the body blood BP will be regulated, and it will come to the normal stage. So this is how the baroreceptor works. And actually baroreceptors are also present to the arch of aorta. So we have got two nerves, 9th and 10th nerve. 9th nerve also called Harring's nerve, 10th nerve is the vagus nerve. From the arch of aorta, we have some receptors like baroreceptor and chemoreceptors are also present. In the arch of aorta, baroreceptor and chemoreceptor, both receptors are present. So from the 10th nerve, it will from the 10th nerve, that is the vagus nerve, also go to the nucleus tractus solitarius. So this will take the information, and if it is the normal, then okay, otherwise induced like activated or reduced impulse from the nucleus tractus solitarius. And this is the carotid body, and the number of 2 and chemoreceptors. So this is how the baroreceptor and chemoreceptor. So the thing is, the full form information is, the function of baroreceptor is the controlling the blood pressure of the body, and the chemoreceptor the controlling blood chemistry of the body. Blood chemistry meaning pH, hypercapnia, asphyxia, hypoxia. Okay, and in the baroreceptor, the blood pressure of the body. So the thing is this much. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.